Have you ever felt like you're running a race, but on someone else's track? You're pushing, you're striving, but the finish line feels a broken bar empty. You see everyone around you heading in one direction, and you think, that must be the way. So you follow, you tick the boxes, you climb the ladder, but with every step, a quiet voice inside whispers, is this really me? What if I told you that the map you've been given was drawn by someone else, and that your true north is waiting for you to simply stop, look up, and choose your own path? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we're going to tear up that old map. From a young age, we're handed a blueprint for a good life. Go to school, get good grades, find a secure job, and follow the footsteps of those who came before. It's a well-worn path, and it feels safe. Your parents, your teachers, society, they all mean well. They want you to be successful, to be secure. But here's the question they often forget to ask, and that we forget to ask ourselves. What does success feel like to you? We get so caught up in the how to get the promotion, how to afford the bigger house, how to impress people that we lose sight of the why. Why do you wake up in the morning? What truly sets your soul on fire? Chasing someone else's definition of success is like wearing clothes that don't fit. You might look the part, but you'll never feel comfortable in your own skin. You'll constantly be adjusting, pulling, and wishing you could just be yourself. I came across a video the other day titled, "Stop Chasing Others' Dreams. This story will change your life forever." Must-watch motivation. And it really got me thinking about the courage it takes to step off the beaten path. It's not easy. When you dare to be different, you're met with resistance. People will question you. They might even laugh. Why? Because your journey is a mirror to their own compromises. Your courage highlights the fears they haven't faced. But let me tell you a secret. The most successful, fulfilled people in the world are the ones who dared to be different. They didn't just follow the trend, they said it. They listened to that inner voice. Even when it was drowned out by the noise of the crowd, they understood that their unique perspective, their quirky interests, their unconventional ideas were not weaknesses, but superpowers. Being different isn't about being rebellious for the sake of it. It's about being authentic. It's about aligning your actions with your truest self. So, how do you find your own path? It starts with getting quiet. Turn down the volume of the outside world so you can hear the whispers of your own heart. What did you love to do as a child, before anyone told you it wasn't a real job? What are you curious about? What problems in the world do you want to solve? Your passion is your compass. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things. Fail. Learn. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise, guiding you closer to where you need to be. The journey to finding your own path is not a straight line. It's a winding road with detours and unexpected turns. But it's your road. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. It's a declaration that you are the author of your own story. Your life is too precious to be a carbon copy of someone else's. You were born with a unique set of talents, dreams, and a purpose that only you can fulfill. Stop chasing others' dreams and start building your own. Dare to be different. Dare to be you. If this message resonated with you, if it sparked something inside you, then I'd love for you to join our community of dreamers and doers. Hit that like button, and subscribe to Talking Evan for more stories to empower you on your journey. Let's walk our own paths together.